dobre! Just another day in Poland. Okay, so I'm just arrived in a Plac Wielkopolski, which is the market close by the Stary Rynek. I just want to showing you the another different traditional market in Poznan, Poland. So let's see what I'm gonna buy today. We just arrived in the Plac Wielkopolski, so I took the tram number 8 from home, and then here is the traditional market as usual. So I'll show you around what we're gonna buy today. And hey, look at this, 1st of July until 30th of August. So there is a festival, Balinese festival in Dolina Charlotte. You see, I always found something about Bali here in Poland. So this is what I really like, going into the traditional market to see what we're gonna buy for fresh product. I think that I will buy something. Oh, cherries and tomatoes, cherries, and many things. Look at this, so many sweet pomidor. I think that I will buy, I don't know, so many things. Confused. Many nice things. I think that I will buy the cherries. Let's see. Look at this fresh fruit. I think that only come up when it is summer. Sweet pomidor, nectarine, nice. And here next to me is the salad shop. Nice. So here also the selling the fresh product, the meat, and yeah, and also here pierogi, nice. Over here selling so many nice stuff. Here they selling the fish. And that's another shop basically. This is also the plant shop basically. So I think they're gonna close soon. So yeah, many shop already closed at this time. Nice. So this is my cherry. I bought it for half kilogram, and in front of me actually complex of the flower shop. It's beautiful. Some shop is over there. Nice. Oh, that's the coffee shop, I think. Look at this, so many nice flowers and bouquet. Very nice. And one thing, there is one pizza shop here. I think that I'm gonna buy pizza. Let's see. Oh, they have a very cheap pizza. Nice. I wanna buy one. Nice. The guy make it so nice. Well, actually, I'm waiting for my pizza. I bought one pizza there, and it's nice. Now the weather is changed. The sky is blue. Nice, and so many queuing, waiting for the pizza. This is really like waiting my nasi campur. Like every day when I used to live in Bali, but getting mingled, surrounded by the locals, this is the way how I get easily learning my Polish language, listening more words, Polish words, going to the market. So I bought my pizza just like all the local do. They're waiting there and sitting eating there, but I need to buy my drink before I eat it. I wish that I could eat with Damian. Damian must be happy with this. Okay, so now let's go to Żabka, buy drink, and we will sit somewhere. I bought my drink. And here is my pizza. So huge. For about I think 18 zloty something. And this is my cherry. And now I'm sitting in the middle of the park. So yeah, enjoying my pizza. Hours class, I'm hungry. And I decided to go to the market. Maybe I can buy something, sightseeing. I found very nice quality pizza. Is just like pizzeria, but in the small shop. No wonder then so many people are queuing. So good. And the price is very affordable. Only like 18 zloty or something like that. You can get a 32 centimeters big pizza. And the taste is so good. Nice. This is a beautiful fountain in front of me. Hey, finally the fountain is with the water and the rose garden. It's beautiful. And we will take a tram. I'm waiting for the tram number 8. So this is how it looks situation, the tram station, and in front of this is the Plac Kopolski, the market. So yeah, let's see. So I'll take you to my tram tour today. It's nice. It's gonna be raining soon. Look at the sky. It's already cloudy. And this road is I think already fixed because last time it was renovated. No i po prostu rozliczasz się osobno podatki, że ty musiałbyś się zarejestrować. Na przykład mi to nie mogło mi. It's gonna be a big raining soon, I guess. So we just arrived in the Rynek Jasicki, and now it's time to walk to go home. See, it's very easy. The public transportation here is very easy and comfy, and you know the path also for walking. It is very nice. There are, I think, 2 or 3 tram that passing the Rynek Jasicki. So yeah, this is my neighborhood. Look at that building. Well, actually, I was planning to take you to one place that is, you know, quite far today, but unfortunately the weather changed and seems like it's gonna be a big raining. And then I promised Damian also to cook for him for dinner, because yesterday I was with my friend and having a, you know, dinner with my friend. So today I will prepare him food, and then I also bought him pizza. So basically this is how a part of my daily life in Poznan, Poland. Okay, I think that's all my video today, guys. That's the church. So yeah, I live surrounded by the church. When I used to live in Bali, I live surrounded by the temple. But all is enjoyable. I think that's all my video today. I'm really rushed to go home. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.